Dust in the air, sand in my teeth. Hills hold his secrets, sun's about to bleed. Old man on the ridge, hand to the sky, curve torn to his lips, all of us hush. Sound of the shofar cuts through the steel of my doubt. Ancient roar shakes every stone in my mouth. Wake up my bones, pull me right out of the crowd. Sound of the shofar, I hear you now. Kids stop their shouting, phones stop their glow. One broken heartbeat starting to grow. Tear tracks on faces, blind like the land. Every regret falling like sand. 3 short cries, 1 long ache. Hey, what will I change? What will I break? Hey, what will I change? What will I break? Hey, what will I change? What will I break? Hey, what will I change? Name every promise I buried deep down. Lift up the horn, let it tear them out. Lift up the horn, let it tear them out.